Hi, my name is Jasmine Cross. I am in Jillian Conti's FOP class, Section 2. We're going to do an experiment called the Clucking Chicken. Not the dance, the science experiment. Materials you need for this: a pencil, a rectangular sponge to wash the dishes with, some kite string, toothpicks, and a paper cup. Oh wait, and water. First, you want to use a pencil to punch 2 holes in the bottom of the cup, about a ½ inch apart. Two holes. Now, we're going to push the string through the holes and tie them on the outside of the cup. Hold on one second. Now, you have the string inside the cup. We need to tie the bottom of the string. Knot. There we go. Now we're going to place the toothpick in this loop right here. You see it? Do that. Make sure the toothpick covers both sides of the cup and is on the end. So now, the toothpick is there. It's not going anywhere. Yes, it did. Wait a minute. There we go. Our next step is cut 1½ inches of a section of a sponge. We're just going to guesstimate that this is 1½ inches.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
We have
If nautical nonsense be something you wish.
Sorry for all you SpongeBob fans, but we got that. Now we're going to tie the end of the string around the center of the sponge. This is the center, and this is the string. They're going to meet. Is to wet the sponge with water. Any type of H2O you want to. It's up to you. We have bottled water. We have the faucet water. But I'm going to use the bottled water. It might be a little bit easier. I don't know. Actually, no. We're going to change it to the faucet water. That might even be extra easy. Wet it. Gonna wet the other side. Both sides are moist. As you can see, we lost our toothpick. There we go. We recovered it. Now, we're going to put the sponge on each side of the string, like this. Squeeze it. And you get a clucking chicken. The water allows the sponge to move down the string, but there is enough friction to cause the string to vibrate, causing them to move back and forth on the tiny rhythm from the cup to the string. And the pitch of the sound is due to the frequency. Good night.